So as you probably know, reality shifting is just exploding. It's taking off. It's all over TikTok. It's all over YouTube, and it's all over Amino, if anyone even uses Amino. I don't use Amino. So this tip, this hack, can help you shift tonight, and it's really powerful. If you haven't used this, you're going to be in for a treat. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, check out my other videos, all that stuff. So what's actually happening? Well, in reality, or what we would call reality today, the world is actually getting safer. Fear is going down. People are realizing they can control their emotions, their state, their frequency, their reality, and therefore the collective reality as in what we consider to be real. Now, the world, like I said, is getting safer, more positive, more loving, peaceful. But this is not the image you would get if you watch the TV or the news. Because you remember, there's been many studies on this and several different explanations as to why they do this, but we're wired to pay attention to fear, danger, and negative stuff just for our survival. You know, it goes back to our reptilian brain. So therefore, the media companies will usually only focus on stories that are negative or scary because they know that that's going to draw you in, even if it's not real, which it isn't. They know it's going to draw you in, and then you're going to pay attention to that. And then what does that mean for them? It means more advertising dollars, more money, as well as various other agendas, which I won't and can't go into on this channel. But that being said, the facts are the world is actually getting safer. You know, excess deaths are going down. Crime all over the world is going down. People are becoming more positive, happy, and loving. And more than ever, people are realizing they can control and create their own reality. So the hack is that you need to focus intently on your emotional energy. So think of your emotional energy as like the fuel that's going to let you project, let you lucid dream, let you shift, and let you create your own reality in this physical realm, I guess you could say. All of these different places, you can't really say one is more real than the other because they all work in the same way. They all use things that relate back to the quantum wave field idea, which is that particles, however small or big, will act as a wave when you're not paying attention to them, meaning there's infinite possibilities all interconnecting and interfering with each other, and they only really unfold. I've spoken about this in other videos, the idea of the enfolded and the unfolded realities. They only unfold into what we see as real when we focus enough energy on them. So with reality shifting, what you're really doing is you're using your emotional energy, which is really powerful, to unfold a specific reality that you want to experience. So you need to channel, and I'm specifically talking about your heart-based loving energy or the desire that you feel really strongly when you focus on something you want to happen. You know that experience that you get, like if you try right now and just imagine something you really, really want to happen, and then now imagine the emotions you'll feel when you have that experience. Imagine where the emotions will happen. How will they feel? That's the type of energy that you need to be able to create and then hold it there. And then I'll get into this in a second, but it's really important that you do that. The next step is you need to just hold out your hand in front of you, just like this. It can be about a foot away from your body, and just click on the subscribe button. And then continue watching. All right, that was obviously just a joke. But so here's what you need to do. So if you've not already done this, if you've never tried this, try and meditate for 5 to 10 minutes. And during that meditation, just clear your mind. Don't think about anything. If you have any thoughts, which you probably will, just kind of get yourself back on track, focus on your breathing, and just clear your mind. After the 10 minutes, so after you've done the meditation, immediately after, you're just going to lay back, relax all of your muscles, and just focus really intently on the emotion of love, and imagine your heart kind of center. And you can use the word chakra if you're comfortable with that. If not, just imagine the center of your body expanding outwards, and imagine this energy just bursting forward into the universe, and imagine it being such an immense feeling that you can't move. You're just literally pinned to the bed and you can't move. This energy is just emanating out of your heart, and at the same time as doing that, hold the feelings I spoke about earlier, the emotions associated with what you want to experience. So you could say your desired reality, and just hold it there. Just literally just hold it there. Don't move, don't do anything. Just hold that energy there. And like I said, with waveform reality, with the way that the universe works holographically, and if you want to learn more about this, please go and buy the book, The Holographic Universe. It's a really, really good book. I highly recommend it. It's in the description. But that's all you need to do. You need to hold your emotions and the loving energy in your heart chakra or center. Focus on your desired reality. And this is after you've meditated. So after 5 or 10 minutes of meditation. Hold the energy there and then just release it to the universe. That literally is enough to massively, and I mean massively, increase the chances of you shifting when you go to sleep, tonight or whenever you try this. It will also increase the chances of you manifesting whatever you focus on. So you can use this. It doesn't have to be for shifting. You can use this for anything that you want to experience, whether it's something material that you want to manifest or whether it's an experience or feeling that you want to create. You can do this in physical reality, in a lucid dream, and when you get ready for shifting. And then just go about your daily routine and see what happens.